In my capacity as division chief, I try to identify novel and innovative technology in the detection and diagnostic capability area to address the capability needs of the general purpose forces. We do that by looking at the science and technology objectives, but also the planning and program guidance we receive from the Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for Chemical and Biological Matters. As far as priorities or what we're excited about going forward, we're excited about the opportunity to work more closely with the JRO and the Joint Requirement Office and the Joint Program Executive Office to revamp our technology transition pathways and with the services to make for more realistic service requirements to get the services what they need. When we look within the division, we have technology to address the detection capability area and technology to address the diagnostic capability area. In the diagnostic space, from a technological perspective, we're shifting away from a pathogen-directed type capability. What I mean is we've done a great job over the years of developing assays to specifically address a specific pathogen. But now we're looking at the threat more agnostically, developing tools that will look at the threat more agnostically from the perspective of, let's say, from bacterial versus viral, or how sick you're going to get or severity of infection, how contagious you're going to get, and working closely with our Joint Program Executive Office partners and how the technology would feed their new program called ADD, Advanced Differential Diagnostics, and trying to align our technology development to meet that program. On the detection side, we want to see how we can work across the enterprise to support integrated early warning and integrated later defense goals. From that capability development area, also trying to look at the threat more agnostically. We have sequencing technology in the pipeline, as well as multi-omic data analysis, where we're looking past genomic analysis, looking at other ways we can look at proteomics or transcriptomics or multi-omics, and how using that large amount of data to improve algorithms for detection or to actually develop new detection technology that will move past, again, looking just for the pathogen, but what is that pathogen doing? You can, current tests, you can say, okay, the pathogen's there, but was the pathogen engineered? Is the pathogen currently infectious? Is this something we need to be concerned about? So not only is this X there, but going behind the curtain to say what X, how bad is X per se. Okay, from a technology development area in the detection space, we've done a lot of work in sequencing, and we're working with our transition partners into developing the bioinformatic tools related to sequencing, looking to see if the threat's engineered. Can we do total sequencing analysis, whole genome sequencing analysis, and looking at the threat more agnostically? So we're looking at sequencing, not so much the instrument itself, but enhanced sample preparation and enhanced bioinformatic tools. We're also looking at autonomy and robotics for sensing. Is there a way to utilize those type of tools to improve sensing technologies, and looking hard at the micro sensing aspect? Can we reduce size, weight, and power to improve sensing technologies? In the diagnostic space, as I said, we're looking more agnostically at the threat, looking at bacterial versus viral, looking at contagiousness, severity, and also we want to learn more about toxins, diagnostic systems potentially, and also toxins for detection. We're going to have BAAs on a variety of detection topics to address both biological and chemical threats. And this will encourage us to expand our current performer base. So be on the lookout for future BAAs in biological and chemical detection. In diagnostics, we're going to be working with our JPEO partners on an OTA related to another transactional authority related to Advanced Differential Diagnostics program, and that'll be coming out in the spring, early summer time period.